My name is Klarissa. I am a business administration major at North Central University. The minute I kind of walked into the doors at North Central, it was like perfect. Everything I just wanted in a college was just there. It totally suited me, like this is home. I'm all ready to go to the NCU block party. Well, I am like madly, like 100% in love with the Philippines. One, because I am Filipino and the culture is just great. And I really like had a heart for the Philippines and I wanted to do something about it. You know, and when I went to North Central, I majored in evangelism and church planting, but like I can't picture myself just going to the Philippines to be a pastor. Like I don't know what it looks like, but I want to be planted in the Philippines and I want to do something there, you know? And I believe that business administration will get me there and make a ministry that's long-lasting. When it came sophomore year, like finances was like super difficult. Like it was just hard to find the means to pay. And especially with the thought of like me changing my major from something pastoral like evangelism and church planting to business administration, which is you could kind of get that anywhere. You should go to a college that's so much cheaper and will offer you that same major. But the Lord really like reminded me that He is faithful when He calls you to do something. So I like 100% knew that the Lord called me to come to North Central. And the haunting question now that I had to face was like, how are you gonna pay for it? And one of the greatest opportunities that North Central offered that really, really aided my financial needs, was the academic scholarship. It was through that I didn't realize that like me getting the good grades or me getting a certain ACT score will get me an X amount of money, which kind of solidified me coming here to North Central. And now I am here chilling in my apartment. That's like a room back there and like all my stuff. I'm in the process of moving in. So we are about to go to Funky Night. And we're here for the organizational fair. It was so exciting because in North Central, I was able to just kind of learn more about the business side of things, but also get a combination of the ministry side, which is like the perfect combination. I was like, yes, I get it all, And I love that because it just makes my heart for the Philippines and what I kind of want to do in the Philippines just even more of a reality. I am beyond thankful for those who were willing to invest in North Central and invest in people like me. Wow, and to just think that someone could like support you financially, like yeah, it just may seem like just money, but no, like the way I kind of view it is like someone is willing to invest in who I am, and they don't even know me, and it just blows my mind because that doesn't show like potential. If that doesn't show like that we are fearfully and wonderfully made, I don't know what will. When someone's willing to like support a financial burden that someone may have, even though they don't know them. That's awesome.